Hello everyone. Today we are going to make an unboxing for Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. I just bought it from Turkcell. It will be like installment to my bill. So I need this one for reading. That's for reading purpose. Okay. Let's open it and see what's inside. First of all, let's talk about the price. Its cash price is 1,600 Turkish lira. It comes to installment, it's around 1,790 something. Okay. So it has 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of, let's say, hard disk. Let's see the unit itself. I can able to open. Okay,
need help?
one more. No, thank you. Some sticker also here. Okay. So here is the unit. The color is dark gray. So it has a nice back. I don't know if I have to tear this one or what. Okay, Madam Ahsen also.
May ads. We have ads.
Apparently,
Bak baba video yapıyor.
Yeah, sorry, here. Should open from here. This is the unit itself. Very cold. Because outside is very cold.
Very nice.
Sana all.
Sana all. Don't worry, 5 minutes
Yeah,
later.
mostly, yeah,
it will be
mostly.
mine.
I'm buying for myself. Suddenly it's already yours. So let's talk about the specs. As I said, it is 3 gigabytes RAM and 32 gigabytes hard disk, but we can also connect any memory. We can also connect any memory card to here. So we can extend it in 32, another 32 or another 64. Here has power button, and this is for the volume.
How about
Okay.
the camera?
The camera, we have to check here. For some reason they didn't give me any receipt. I guess it's just online registration. This is a guarantee paper, and this is manual, user manual. As usual, these things. I hope there is okay. There is also a Type-C charger. Color is white, and I haven't seen any Samsung, but should, yeah, it's owned by Samsung. It's original. Over there, okay, there's nothing else. That's all.
How about the specs?
The specs I already said. Wait one moment.
Megapixel is the camera. And you can open it and try it. How it is responsive.
Yeah, but we need to set it up first. Yes, the specs are I'm not writing anywhere.
Okay.
Here it's not right.
Even in the box.
No. Maybe we should check from internet, but as I said, when we check there, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of memory. That's all.
Very nice. I mean, from outside, looks very nice. Yeah, it's here. It's octa-core.
Octa-core, 2.3 gigahertz and 1.8 gigahertz. That's nice. 3 gigabytes of RAM. 8.7 inches of screen. Camera, the back is 8 megapixel, at front is 2 megapixel. No radio, meron, micro SD. Okay, it's already almost 6 minutes.